Miss Alexander's Vacation Dilemma. Miss Alexander and her family really want to take a trip over the winter break, but no one can agree on where to go. Miss Alexander wants to visit someplace warm and sunny to escape the snowy and cold Louisville winter. She enjoys the snow, but just wants to get away for a while. Her family really wants to visit Chicago, Illinois. Everyone wants to see the beautiful Chicago skyline and Lake Michigan. Miss Alexander just isn't sure what there is to do in Chicago. Sure, there are lots of buildings to see, but what else? She knows that Chicago has a humid continental climate and that Chicago is northwest of Louisville. The humid continental climate means that Chicago has 4 distinct seasons, and really hot summers and cold, cold winters. Cold winters mean lots of layers and bundling up when you go outdoors. Miss Alexander knows that Chicago has lots of outdoor attractions. She's not sure how her family will be able to enjoy these attractions like Millennium Park in such cold temperatures. Chicago is also known for Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan creates large amounts of lake effect snow in the Chicago area. Sure, the snow would be beautiful to look at, but it could really make the trip a total disaster. Walking on snow-covered streets sounds like fun, but it can really be very dangerous if the snow freezes and makes it icy. Roadways can also be affected by snow. The snowplows have to be able to get to the roads to make conditions safe for drivers. To avoid the traffic problems, her family has suggested that they just fly to Chicago instead. But air travel is also affected by snow. Planes are often grounded or stuck because of the snow. Chicago is also known for its crazy winds. It's even often called the Windy City. Miss Alexander has heard that Chicago winds can be brutal in the winter and really make being outdoors miserable. Miss Alexander has suggested that her family visit Chicago in the summer when Lake Michigan is full of boats. How can you convince Miss Alexander to forget about her sunny vacation plans, to pack her coat and earmuffs, and visit Chicago in December?